This is how we walk Xena on a bike. She's very good. Some people hold her on a leash or their dogs on leashes. I don't. I just found out something simpler. Simple body harness, collar or leash attached to the bike. Doing this one-handed while she's tired. So I can do this with one hand. Simple setup. That way you can have two hands on the bike. Exercise time, Al. Easy walking, and you don't have to walk for an hour. 15 minutes. 3 trips. So I will be going a lot straighter if I had two hands on the bike, of course. But she's tired, so I was able to do this. So okay, guys, again, body harness with a leash, probably like about 6 foot, and wrap it around the bike seat. And there you go. That way you keep two hands on the bike. You don't have to hold the leash. All right, I'm gonna put this phone down before I fall. All right. Any questions? Let me know.